Hi peeps, so happy you are here today. In this creator video, 24 divided by 8 which equals 3 and 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Now we have this problem 3 divided by 3 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division 24 divided by 8 equals 3. So we have 3 divided by 18 divided by 6, and we can write this part as 3 over 18 divided by 6. So we must keep the first fraction 3 over 18 and change division to multiplication times, then flip the second fraction 1 over 6 which equals 3 over 108. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.